In the competitive world of job placement, one entity stands out for getting the job done right and fast. Headhunters have been used by companies to look for specific candidates to fill a position. With their expertise, industry experiences, and rich professional network, headhunters make it easier for companies to find the best candidates. Here is a quick guide to what headhunters are, why companies use them, and what they're looking for in a candidate. Why would a company work with a headhunter? There are many benefits to hiring a headhunter, and these can include the following. Sourcing expertise. Headhunters usually have a rich network of professional sources where they can look into potential candidates with specific levels of expertise and experience. Their varied experience in sourcing candidates provides them with a wealth of information and insider knowledge. Commission-driven. Most headhunters only get paid when their prospective candidate is hired by the company that contracts them. Because of this, headhunters recognize the importance of finding the best candidates for the position and refrain from wasting a company's time by sending a candidate that does not meet the qualifications. Specific niche. Most headhunters have a specific niche when it comes to looking for potential candidates. Some headhunters may specialize in the field of medicine, while others are experts in the field of education, law, and so on. Companies that want to fill a vacant position fast work with headhunters, eliminating the need to post on job boards or announce a vacant position. What are headhunters looking for? If you want to attract a headhunter, here are some things they are looking for in a potential candidate. Education. Most executive positions have minimum job requirements, and this is where your educational achievements are essential. Some managerial or higher-level positions in companies require higher education, which could open doors for you to get higher-paying and more prestigious jobs. If you have your eyes set on an executive-level position, it may be time to invest in higher education. Skills. In the ever-changing workforce platform, employees that can easily adapt to change are highly coveted. Companies want to hire people who can constantly bring something to the table, be it a new skill set or a different set of knowledge. People who are committed to learning and growing are highly valued. Because of this, potential candidates who have certifications and licenses in areas outside their degree and work experience are often sought after. Honest and concise resume. Headhunters don't have all the time in the world to go over a long and dragging resume. A comprehensive, short, concise, and direct CV that's relevant to the position is key to catching a headhunter's attention. Instead of a paper or file resume, try a CV website that shows headhunters you mean business. Headhunters are often delegated with the task of looking for potential candidates that best match what the company's looking for. Whether you're a company looking to fill an open position or a potential candidate wanting to cinch that dream job, working with a headhunter can fast-track the hiring process.